Good morning, class. Today we shall solve the exercise of the pronoun exercise E and F. In this exercise, for solving these exercises, we should know about the definition and meanings of the interrogative pronouns and demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. First, I shall tell you about the demonstrate interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronouns are the words that are used to ask the question. Interrogative pronouns are the words that are used to ask question. Who, whom, whose, which, where, how, when, which. These are the words that are used to ask questions. I have explained in previous classes. So once again, I tell you about this that the who, whom, whose, which, where, how, when. These are the interrogative pronouns. So in this exercise, it is said fill in the blanks with suitable interrogative pronouns. You know, in first here broke the window glass. Here broke the window glass, तोड़ डाला window glass. It means and we have to make its interrogatory sentence. So I think who will be the appropriate word to make the interrogatory sentence of this part of the sentence. So if we write here who, that will make the perfect sentence. Who broke the window glass? In second, do you want to beat? Do you want to beat? तुम पीटना चाहते हो, पनिशमेंट देना चाहते हो किसी को? तो whom do you want to beat means किसे आप पीटना चाहते हैं? Whom means किसे. And in third, of whom are you speaking means are you of are you speaking में आप किससे बात कर रहे हैं means of whom आप किससे बात कर रहे हैं. In four, do you want to buy? क्या तुम खरीदना चाहते हो? तो we have to add here interrogatory word and I think what will be the perfect word to make the sentence clear. So what do you want to buy? In next, shall I give this to? Shall I give this to means whom shall I give this to? मैं इसे किसे दूंगा? मैं इसे किसे दूंगा? तो किसे sentence makes clear by the word whom. Whom shall I give this to? And now in the second, up these book will you take? Book. The book is non-living, so I think to make its interrogative sentence, we have to write here which, and which is the word that is used to ask question for in non-living things. And now next, did you invite as the chief guest? Means whom did you invite as the chief guest will be the perfect answer, perfect word for the interrogative sentence. And now what you prefer? क्या prefer करोगे? Tea or coffee? You prefer tea or coffee. You are asking questions. So what will be the appropriate word to make it interrogative sentence? So one thing I have told you about the interrogative pronoun. One thing I would like to tell you more about this interrogative word. These interrogative words are also used the interrogative adjective when these words interrogative words are used before the noun In that time, it is known as the interrogative adjective. You know, in this here, this is interrogative pronoun. This is interrogative pronoun. This is interrogative pronoun, and this is also interrogative pronoun. So, in this, whom here in fifth is also interrogative pronoun, but which is interrogative adjective. Here, which of these books? Here, it tells about the books. So, which is interrogative adjective here? And you know, this is the interrogative adjective, and rest of the interrogative pronoun. You must clear that if the interrogatory word are used before the noun to ask the question, so that will be considered as interrogative adjective. Now next exercise, fill in the blanks with correct demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective. You know, I have explained in previous class about the demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective. You know, demonstrative pronouns are the words this, that, these, those. This is the word, the demonstrative pronoun that is used to demonstrate or indicate the things or person which is near, which and singular, which is near and singular, and that is the demonstrative pronoun that is used the things or person that is kept or situated in a distance and is singular. In such way, these are the demonstrative pronoun that are used the things many things when many things kept near, we will demonstrate through the word these. And in such way, the things that are many things that are kept in a distance, we will use those to indicate or demonstrate the things or person. In this way, fill in the blanks with correct demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative pronoun here, do not be confused about the demonstrative pronoun or demonstrative adjective. When after the demonstrative pronouns verb is used, then it is called demonstrative pronoun. And when these demonstrative words are kept before the nouns to demonstrate the things, it means these are the demonstrative adjective. Here, in this sentence, how long have you been living in dot city? In this city, and city here, you know, this city means where you live. So before city we have to write this, and this and city is a noun. So this is a demonstrative adjective here. And in such way, this bag contains exciting gift. Here bag is a noun, and before bag we use this as a demonstrative pronoun. So this is here as a demonstrative adjective. And this morning, in such way, this is also here as demonstrative adjective. And in 4, that after that is a monkey on the water tank, because water tank is in some distance, so we will use that. And that after that here is verb, so that is a demonstrative pronoun. And in 5th, was a stupid idea, means it has passed, the incident had passed, so we will indicate with the use of demonstrative pronoun that, because after that there is was, so it is a demonstrative pronoun. And in such way, in 6th exercise, mangoes, you know, mango plural, and before mangoes we have to use demonstrative word. So these is the perfect demonstrative word, because mangoes are plural, so we will use these. And before mangoes are the noun, so this is that these here, these is a demonstrative adjective. In such way, in 7th, picture, before picture, this is this demonstrative word is used here, so this is here used as a demonstrative adjective. In it, there are two words there are two words that are needed as a demonstrative word. So this is here is a new car. Here this is used as a demonstrative pronoun, and that is also used as a demonstrative pronoun. So that's all in this exercise. I hope that you have understood, and if you have any problem regarding to these topics, these contents, you may ask through the WhatsApp message. I hope that you will revise, learn, and prepare this chapter and ask question where you need. Thank you, class.